a special feeling in Oldsmobile. There is a special feeling in Oldsmobile. More than the luxury ride, it's a feeling of pride that you feel inside.
Today we got the 88 Cadillac Coupe DeVille here. Been working on it, doing some research, and even found some parts at a junkyard. I should record it because that car was incredibly rusty, but found some good pieces for this. We'll start off here. I finally got an assembly manual for it. 88 Cadillac, DeVille, and Fleetwood. Almost no difference between the two cars. I found this, a factory CB unit. Pretty cool, in really good shape. It says Cadillac on it. Got the wiring harness for it. It's a little muffed up, but I think I'm gonna probably cut it right here. So try to stagger these if I have enough, but at least I got all the lines for it. We'll see if it works. And I got a new horn pad as well. Really good condition. Just cleaned it up. Had a whole bunch of like moss and stuff growing on it, but it cleaned up extremely well. I'll show you what we're going to be doing with this. Also, I cleaned the interior, so now the carpets are actually clean, seats are clean. Got rid of all that stuff. I tried to clean the wheel up as much as possible, so a little bit of the yellow came back into it, but you can see here, well, it's kind of hard to tell, but oh, there you go. This one is like stark white, and then this one is actual yellow. It matches the interior a lot more. So I'm going to put this one in. Plus this one's seems to be in a lot better condition. And this one has the full sort of glass thing going on, but I sort of like it with the cushioned pad on it more. So I'm going to swap that out. Of course, I'll probably keep this since this was the original one. Should probably throw in the trunk or whatever. This one here, this goes, or I should say it unbolts from one bolt back here. I'll show that. So one bolt here, and then one back here. So see, I missed the spot. Well, there you go. So I'm gonna clean up that and get this off as well. So, and then I don't know, that's just paint missing there. Someone had a bad habit of missing I guess for the key here or something. But yeah, so I also found out these wheels are telescoping. So you just flick this lever here, and it can come out or go back. So that's pretty cool. I'll leave it like that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to bring it out so it makes it a little bit easier of actually pulling it out. I believe these are like 7s back here or something. But yeah, I was able to clean up the dash and everything. Good Lord, I can't speak. I cleaned the dash. It's all nice and shiny now. Cleaned all this. There's so many like just different fingerprints and everything. Now you can actually like see the wood in detail. It's all nice and clean. Got to get like some small areas with like a smaller brush or something. So I only have a towel right now, microfiber. So yeah, I cleaned all that, cleaned the door panels. I gotta figure out something for this. I mean, they put tape over this here, which I mean, it isn't bad. I mean, it's preventing this from ripping more, but I may want to look for another door panel in the future, or get this reconditioned here somehow. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know if I'll ever find another coupe door card, to be honest. If anyone knows of one, let me know. I'm also still looking for a yellow steering wheel. I want to just find a yellow steering wheel at this point. I found out that from a buddy of mine that trying to paint match this yellow is very, very hard to. So I'm going to just try to find one. If I can't, this wheel's fine enough. It's not like cracked or anything. It's literally just the color I guess the dye had worn off of it from over the years. So just gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this and come back when it's done. Got the new one on here. Well, I'm a little bit blind. So this is like almost like a tannish color compared to the yellow. You see that? So I'm not sure which one I should use, if I should continue to use this one or if I should go back to the white one that the car originally came with. That I am not sure of. It doesn't look like this thing was replaced or anything. So what do you guys think? The white or the tan in the middle? Kind of feeling the white more, but we'll see. I'll let you vote down in the comments. Let me know which one you want. That's what it looks like if, say, the white one was on there and there's the tan. So let me know which one you guys want. Yeah, we'll go from there. I also got to install the CB radio. I'm not sure if this radio would be compatible or not, but where it was located was right here, where this opening is, sort of. So I gotta install it there, figure out something for that, and go from there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Just wanted to do a short video on the Cadillac again. Wanted to show that making progress on it, and soon this thing will be on the road. I've been testing a couple cleaners, seeing which one does better. This was one cleaner. This was another. This one didn't work as well. This one worked great. So I'm going to give it a shot. We're going to clean up this whole car. I did a test run of some polish on the hood here, and it came out fantastic. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Sort of see the difference. There's it uncleaned, and there it's polished. How much a reflection it has now. Really, really nice. So once I get this car cleaned up, it's going to look fantastic when it's done. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.